Good morning. It's Wednesday, April 1st, and I'm coming to you from Amos's room again. I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to touch base with you because I didn't yesterday. I was on like uh, in virtual meetings all day yesterday. So I didn't have time to get on here and touch base with you. So I just wanted to make sure that things are going well. I just, before getting on this to make this video, I updated grades for all sophomore classes. So if you have turned things in for the first time, or you've checked in for the first time, or you got caught up on journals, or the first common lit assignment, I got all of that in the grade book. So if you check the grade book and you think that I'm missing something, just let me know. Okay. I know a lot of you are feeling very stressed and overwhelmed by the amount of school work you're getting. Just know we have a meeting tomorrow, staff meeting tomorrow. We're working through it. We're going to try to figure this out. Sorry if you can hear my kids, they're loud. We're going to try to figure this out for you guys so that way you are not too overwhelmed. But thank you for being honest in your journals. I really feel like even though we're not together, I'm getting to know you really well, and I appreciate you just telling me how you feel. And this is a scary, weird, confusing time. So I hope that the journals help you to kind of work through that. And also, I hope that you can be honest with me about what's going on. Anyway, I hope things are good as they can be. If you need anything, please reach out to me. And also, I'm going to change your assignment deadlines, and I'm going to post that too. But oh my gosh, my kids are so loud. I'm sorry. Um, your common lit assignment is going to be due on Wednesdays today, still today. That assignment needs to be done. But the comparison contrast question, you can turn that in tomorrow. Okay, so Thursday. And then if you get those two things done, the only thing you have to do on Friday is a journal. Okay, so make sure you're checking in and journaling every day. Today, get that common lit reading assignment done. Tomorrow, the comparison contrast between the two common lit assignments. Get that question done. And then Friday will just be a journal. Yeah, if you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a good day.